SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2019 offers the end user additional ability to leverage existing CAD and drawing information. One of the first examples we're going to see is the ability to enter in items such as custom properties. I can add custom properties by using my drop-down list and then simply linking my custom property to items directly inside of my drawing or model custom property information. And in just a couple of seconds, we can start having all of our custom properties be populated. Again, this is going to enter error-free as this information is already inside of my model or my drawing, and I'm simply pulling it from there. The second item we're going to take a look at is the support for whole table information during the automatic ballooning process. Again, that was one of the first items that was ballooned in this situation. Now my characteristic tree is in a tabular form. This was done for convenience for the end user. I now have the ability that I can select multiple characteristics or balloons using shift-click, which makes it very easy to group or ungroup balloons. Now having ungrouped balloon number 18, I now have a series of unique and independent balloons that I can modify, I can drag in place in order to add additional clarity to my first article inspection and my drawing. Being independent, at any point I can change any balloon to be a key characteristic, and this is going to be maintained if in the future I do have to regroup my items. From here, we're ready to export into Excel. Once this has exported, we're going to notice my reference location is actually zone properties from SOLIDWORKS. So there are some very exciting enhancements for 2019 in inspection. If you have any questions about what you saw here, please feel free to contact us at SOLIDWORKS support@mlc-cad.com. Thank you for watching.